Hey there, water softener enthusiasts. Welcome back to our water softener series. Today, we have an exciting and informative video lined up for you. We'll be diving into the step-by-step process of replacing the turbine for the Autotrol 368 in your Wrekin Water Eco Ultra Series water softener. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our helpful water softener tips and tricks. Let's get right into it. To start, let's get what you will need ready. You will need a tea towel or some kitchen roll for those water spills, an adjustable spanner, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, the new meter assembly from Wrekin Water Filtration. See link in description for easy ordering. Right, are you ready? Let's start. Isolate the water to the softener. Release the water pressure by running the tap till you see no flow. Disconnect the power to the softener. Place some kitchen roll or a tea towel under the inlet, outlet, and drain connectors to catch any escaping water. Use the adjustable spanner to loosen the pipe connectors, then twist off with your fingers. Use the flat head screwdriver to lever out the manifold clips. Remove the manifold and reset any O-rings that need to be reset. Use a flat head screwdriver for this. Remove the meter assembly with your pliers. Insert new meter assembly, ensuring correct alignment, as seen. Reattach the manifold with O-rings positioned back into place. Insert manifold clips back into place. Reconnect the inlet, outlet, and drain pipes, ensuring they are threaded correctly. Then tighten with adjustable spanner. Plug in power supply and reset the time. Turn on water supply to softener. Check for leaks. Turn on tap and check display to see if registering flow by viewing the green LED flashing. Remember to like, subscribe and follow to keep up to date with more of our latest videos and products. Wrekin water filtration, purifying water, unleashing health.